Hey DIYers, and welcome back to DIY Hookup. Today I'm sharing with you guys how to make this really cool wood oversized farmhouse style Lazy Susan. So I have this round piece of wood that I bought at Home Depot. It was only $5, and now what I'm going to do is stain it with a gray stain. So I have some latex gloves on and I'm just using an old sock. So you just want to add a very small amount of the stain onto your cloth that you'll be using and just go ahead and stain the entire piece of wood. I really like this stain because it dries really quickly. I also ordered a Lazy Susan kit on Amazon and it was also $5. So all you have to do is put your Lazy Susan kit, just center it on your wood and screw it down with 4 screws. So easy to do. I did pick up a stencil from Hobby Lobby and it was $2.99, awesome price, and you know you can use a coupon. So I just taped that down on each corner and went ahead and used some milk paint, and here you go. You have this really cool wood Lazy Susan. I think it's really nice. It's oversized, and something like this to buy, I would say would be at least $30 or more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy tutorial, easy DIY. If you enjoyed it, please give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next DIY.